Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to do a quick review and unboxing of Apple's AirTag. Let's get started. First, what is an AirTag? It is a device that lets you easily keep track of your stuff by using an iOS device. This is compatible with any iPhone or iPad with iOS or iPad OS version 14.5 and above. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have the usual manual and then the device itself. The device is really small, about an inch in size. It also has a built-in ultra-wideband technology to communicate its location to Apple's Find My app. It's IP67 water and dust resistant and has a tiny speaker. The battery is also replaceable. It's a standard CR2032 battery with over a year of endurance. For the price, if you buy it individually, it will cost you 1,690 pesos. But if you buy it in 4-pack, it will cost you 5,790 pesos. If your iOS device has a U1 chip, which is only available at the moment on iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, you can use the precision tracking technology. It means you can find your item at exactly specific location where it is located. If you are using an old iOS device, precision tracking technology will not be available. At the moment, you can only register this device on one Apple account, and family sharing is not yet supported. Let's set this up. First, it will ask you for your AirTag name. You can use a pre-made name here, or you can use the custom name. For this one, I will use handbag. Then it will ask you to grant permission for the iPhone's location. Okay, and it's all done. Next, let's try to use Find My app. Let's go to items. As you can see, the newly created or set up AirTag is here. Let's click it. And then we have an option here to play a sound. Okay. You can also ask Siri to find it. Hey Siri, find my handbag.
Looking for Blue's handbag. It's nearby. Pinging Blue's handbag now.
And finally, let's try to use the Find My app precision finding. There you go guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you on the next one.